What's going on, guys? Today we can go over my 2020 stocks. I've been investing in stocks for a very long time. I'm still new to it, but I'm going to share with you my stock picks. So far, I have pretty much all in the red, I'm assuming. $889.35. And for the past, this year I'm down $128. The school market rebound is all good. First stock I have is Snap. We got Twitter. This is actually one of my first stocks. The 3 shares down about $10. Yeah, Nike. I'm actually up $18.34. 1 share Nike. At Disney, currently down $11.70. Under Armour, down $12.18. Verizon, look like I'm pending a dividend. Nice. Total returns negative. We're down $3.10. Got Ford, 2 shares, down $9. Royal Cannabis, this right here, I've been holding for a long time. 5 shares, I'm down $39.52. I'm having a lot of faith in this one. Next one, Apple is a REIT, 1 share, down $7.96. Dividend yield 15. Schwab, dividend. You got GM Motors. Got Lyft. Coca-Cola. Good stock. Dividend yield 3.4. AMD. No good stock. Up $20.71. 69 cents, I mean. No dividend. Uber. Down $2.97. iShares Core REIT. You gotta have those REITs. Kenneman Growth, down $4.61. Stats Intro, no dividend payment actually today. Pending 12 cents, not bad. Get some more shares of those. Just flying through some of these. MGM Growth Properties, no dividends. 48 cents. Get some more of those. Micro Properties Trust. We got a lot of these like REITs and stuff. Love me some REITs. Royal Caribbean, up $10. I miss cruising. Schwab, Carnival, just want to show the free stock. What y'all think about this one? Marathon Oil. I already did my research on this one. But those are my stock picks of 2020. See, my goal is, my first goal I want to hit is 10,000 and go from there. Pretty much doing it for fun, you know. Love investing, love making money, love dividends. You know. Tell me what motivates y'all. Where y'all investing? Tell me some good stocks. Give me some pointers. I'm always willing to learn. Drop a comment and like, subscribe. Thank you.